Welcome to Business Loan Insider. My name is EMILY. Here we talk about business loans, funding opportunities, approvals, and insider tips that help entrepreneurs grow their businesses with the right financial knowledge. Let's begin. Today, we're going to talk about crypto taxes in the United States and what every crypto investor needs to know. Many people think cryptocurrency is anonymous or tax-free, but in reality, the IRS treats crypto as property, not currency. That means crypto transactions can create tax obligations. Whenever you sell cryptocurrency for cash, trade one crypto for another, or use crypto to buy goods or services, it may trigger a taxable event. The IRS expects you to report these transactions accurately on your tax return. The most common crypto tax is capital gains tax. If you buy crypto and later sell it at a higher price, the profit is considered a capital gain. If you hold the asset for less than 1 year, it is taxed as a short-term capital gain, which follows regular income tax rates. If you hold it for more than 1 year, it qualifies as a long-term capital gain, which is usually taxed at a lower rate. Crypto income is also taxable. If you earn cryptocurrency through mining, staking rewards, airdrops, or payments for services, the IRS treats this as ordinary income. The value of the crypto at the time you receive it must be reported as income, even if you don't sell it right away. Another important rule is crypto-to-crypto trades. Exchanging Bitcoin for Ethereum or any other token is still considered a taxable event. The IRS looks at the fair market value of the asset at the time of the trade to calculate gains or losses. Losses can also work in your favor. If you sell crypto at a loss, you may be able to use those losses to offset capital gains and reduce your tax liability. This strategy is known as tax loss harvesting. Good record keeping is essential. You should track purchase dates, sale dates, prices, transaction fees, and wallet or exchange records. Many investors use crypto tax software to simplify reporting and avoid mistakes. Failing to report crypto taxes can result in penalties, interest, or audits. The IRS has increased enforcement and now requires taxpayers to answer a direct question about crypto activity on their tax returns. To stay compliant, report all taxable crypto activity, understand your holding periods, and consult a qualified tax professional if your situation is complex. Crypto investing can be rewarding, but understanding the tax rules helps protect your profits and keeps you on the right side of the law. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Keep supporting the channel, and I'll meet you again in the next video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Your support means a lot. Stay connected for more business